Welcome to hrpreparation.com, India's first online institute for HR competitive exams. Now we are going to explain about online crash course. Let's understand the course structure. This course consists of both study material and test series. Here you can find the course structure as per exam pattern. As per exam pattern, there are two different parts. One is subject knowledge and general or aptitude. Both are having study materials and test series along with model mock test series as per exam pattern. Key features of course: test series and study materials as per syllabus, model mock test series as per exam pattern, subject knowledge topic-wise study materials and test series, subject act-wise study materials and test series, general topic-wise study materials and test series, unlimited test series practice, reattempt option without limit, performance tracker with rank, huge MCQs bank, unique explanations to each question. Under profession knowledge, there are sections like management, HRM, HRD, OB, IR, labor legislations, labor welfare and market, and with labor laws. Question pattern is like easy level questions given to under the subject. Each question having its answer and unique explanations in descriptive way to polish your knowledge. Each section having some topics, and here you can find topic from management. One topic consists of both study material and test series. We recommend first go through the study material, then immediately have the same test for better understanding. For example, if you go through the study material of principles and theories, then immediately take same test. Here you can find topics from HRM. Here you can find topics from HRD. Here you can find topics from OB. Here you can find topics from IR. Here you can find topics from labor legislations. Here you can find topics from labor welfare and market. Here you can find acts from labor laws. General or aptitude. As per exam pattern, aptitude is also part of syllabus, so we provided study materials and test series of aptitude. Here you can find topics from reasoning. Here you can find topics from general English. Here you can find topics from GK or GA with test series only. Model mock test series. Model mocks are a combination of both core knowledge and aptitude as per exam pattern. Here you can find model mock test series. All model mocks having real-time questions and given with detailed explanations as per exam standard. Let's jump into portal to see the real-time view. Here you can see study materials part and test series part separately. In study material part, you see all set sections and topics. In test series part, you can see all topic-wise and act-wise test series. Model mocks, also with answers and detailed explanation. For inquiries, please call or WhatsApp on given contact number. For more details, visit our website www.hrpreparation.com. Happy learning!